Okay, this is a very brief course overview. So this is CMPS2122, Programming 2 in Python. So in Programming 1, you learned how to program, procedural programming in Python, right? That's why we're excited about this, because Python is the most used programming language in the world. You can do everything from web development, web scraping, computer graphics, Internet of Things, right? Now what we're going to use it, we're going to apply it to data analysis and machine learning. So you're actually going to get to use Python to do real stuff, data analysis, machine learning. Pretty neat stuff, right? And however, before we get into the data analysis and machine learning, we got to take a look at the supplemental textbooks, which is the textbook we used last semester, right? You used last semester. And this is a textbook. You got through it. We have to go over this objects, right? Object-oriented programming paradigm, which we'll do in the first 3 classes, the first 2 weeks of the course, right? After that, we're going to jump into the course textbook. So if you open the course textbook, you'll see it's from the Data 8 project. It's used at UC Berkeley, inferential thinking. And we're going to go through this, and we're going to end up with prediction and classification. So it's machine learning as a class technique, what I talked about. Pretty neat stuff. So we have real data that we collect here in Belize, particularly about test scores, BJAT, PSC, ATLIB. We have tens of thousands of data points, and we're going to analyze these. And hopefully we're going to analyze some UB student data as well. Right. So if you take a look at the course outline, what you're going to see is you're going to see this reflected, exact reflection of the course outline in Moodle. So we start off right here with an introduction and then a review of procedural programming, jump into, so this is week 1. See the 2 classes of week 1 and week 2, object-oriented, right? So that's in the text from last semester, and then we jump right into the new textbook, Inferential Thinking. And we don't go through every single thing here, but it's listed right here, the ones that we're going to cover, and it's going to culminate with predictions. So after estimations, we're going to do prediction and classification, which is the hot topics in machine learning right now. And that's the final project. As I talked about the final project, we have a lot of assignments. We have 10 assignments, right? So these 10 assignments, what I want you to know is they all build upon each other, and they culminate. All of these put together make the final project, okay? So if you take a look at the assignments, there's 10 of them for 40%, but they're all building. So every class you're working on tasks, and the tasks culminate in an assignment. Those assignments are graded, and when you put them all together, you get with the final project. So 70% of the course is you actually working with real data. That's what we're doing every class, right? And then along the way, I have to measure your progress with tests. Again, it's going to be writing code. So you're going to get good at writing code by writing code, and it'll be a fun course. The main idea you have to get out of this is that every time you come into class, you're going to be coding. That's the only way you're going to get good at coding. So right here, I'll put some videos here for you to watch, and then that's a course introduction video, and I already posted one for final project. So this is week 1, and then week 2 is right here. It's going to follow exactly from the course outline, and there's assignment 1. The other ones will be coming shortly. Okay, thank you for your time. We'll stop right there.